Hi guys, my name is Carl. I'm a brand ambassador from SloJo, and today I'm going to show you how to make a choc deck hot chocolate. So guys, I'm going to explain to you what equipment we're going to need. We're obviously going to need some steamed milk, which you can use a microwave. In this case, I've used a frother to froth up my milk there. Obviously a 250ml glass, a spoon to stir, and then you've obviously got your SloJo product, which is the chocolate decadence powder. Okay, so I've gone and put this in a container just so that I can store it a bit easier, so that if you guys want to keep it in the packet, you're more than welcome. Right, so we're going to jump in and we're going to go and take about 25 grams of our powder. So what that would then equate to is about 6 teaspoons. If you don't have the scoop, don't worry. When you order the product, you will definitely have your scoop with you. Okay, so we're going to pop that inside our glass. Just there we go. And we close that up. Right, then we're going to take our steamed milk. So we're just going to go and we're going to pour some of that in there. Just give it a stir just to make it easier. Okay. So another thing you guys can do when you guys are making any of our chocolate powders, and specifically this one as well, you can put in a teaspoon of peanut butter if you want to change it up a bit. Or we've also got a various range of other syrups that you can incorporate with this as well, like a vanilla, a caramel, or a hazelnut that you can put inside here. So, and that's pretty much your hot chocolate done, stirred, nothing added, just adding in your garnish if you want to. So here we'll add our whipped cream on top. Okay, there we go. Right, you can always sprinkle a bit of the powder on top, or you can take our SloJo Drizzlicious chocolate sauce. That's our chocolate decadence hot chocolate. Please leave the video a like and subscribe, and a link will be down below in the description to our various ordering platforms and our different social media platforms. Thank you for watching. See you next time.